back after a long delay in the project at Bayview. Just wanted to say a real quick, here's what's happening. The owners have decided on a number of different things, one of which is this fireplace moving to that wall over there, the north wall. But other than that, it's been a delay in getting materials. They have shopped for all the materials from appliances to flooring to tile, all that, and then consultations with the interior designer, the contractor, and it takes a village to get this thing done, right? So here we go with the project continuation, and you'll see following this little video the garage and the pantry. Here is the pantry being installed, and it's space where the, I guess, garage door is now going to be in that opening right there. The refrigerator is going to be here. And here's the pantry doorway. And our friend, one of the workers is working on the inside of the pantry. And once he puts a wall up, the pantry wall is going to go from the refrigerator wall all the way along the dotted line to that corner. A little bit shorter than the run that was there before, but the pantry will actually be pretty big once the floor is put in. Let's look at it over here. Here would be the garage door, and then the pantry will be that wide when the floor goes in. Okay, we'll see this again shortly. Bye.